The art of screen printing.
Hey everybody, it's Lon and Cory with Graphic Elephants again, here with presenting the art of screen printing. Hey Cory, how's it going?
Good.
Hey, we're in the next few series, we're going to run through the channel separation process, and Cory's going to start with an explanation of what that is. Cory, you want to take it away?
All right, I will. I'll present my screen right now. We're going to discuss our process for separation in Photoshop using channels. If you're not familiar with channels, if you go under the window, you'll find it here in the list. Just make sure that it's checked, and then this palette will show up for you. I've sort of paralleled it here with my layers palette. As you open up any image in Photoshop, the layers palette will always be displaying what that image is. So you always have the layers palette when you open up an image in Photoshop. But Photoshop kind of runs off the idea of offset printing. So basically paper printing, paper products, things of that nature. And those typically use a CMYK plate system, using those four colors to make most of the colors in any particular image, whether it's a magazine cover or a box cover for products, things of that nature. For the screen printing industry, we require plates as well, and we base them off of black, white, and grayscale. White typically being that it would be clear or non-information. Grayscale in case you need basically a tone. And then of course solid colors, like in this case, our GSG logo is all nothing but solid colors, so there's no continuous tone going on here. But it's still great for the separation process and using channels. The nice thing about channels for us in the screen printing industry is it's sort of already breaking down the image for you. So if I click on the cyan channel, for instance, you can see the color version still down here. You can see that and we're looking to isolate the area of the blue from the rest of the information in this image. And we do that by finding the densest information and then eliminating all the other information that doesn't pertain to this particular plate. If you look at the magenta channel, you can see how much the density is here, almost 100%. And then we would basically remove the rest of the grayscale image, and so on and so on. As we go through the yellow, for instance, here, same idea. We get the nice density of the yellow area, but we also see the red showing up. And typically on the yellow channel, a lot of your warm colors will show up. So your orange, magenta, even some greens, because there's yellow in them, would show up on this particular channel. And then you would have to extract those informations as is necessary based on your image. The black, again, as I said before, the CMYK image is looking for mixtures of those four CMYK colors and how they're building in this image. Because there's no black in the white and there's no black in these colors, when I go on the black channel, you can see that there's no information there. The only information we're seeing, of course, is the area of the background, because it basically is gray and has black as a mixture. So in this case, the black channel would not be of any use to us. But you have to basically go through each one of these and pick those colors out. Now, if you had purple or a different color blue, it would definitely show up on your cyan channel. It might even show up on your red as well, because purple has red in it. So you would use the channels to sort of massage or pull and extract information as it pertains to each plate. If you have a 4-color design, like in this case, we have 4 colors, or 5 or 6, whatever image yours is requiring, and you may be limited to what you can do on press, these basically channels of information help you kind of pluck out what you need, create your plate for your separation process. We'll actually go over those particular channels and how this broke down in our next video.
Hey, thanks Cory, that was great. Hey, stay tuned for part 2 of the channel separation process that we'll go over next time. He's Cory and I'm Lon, and we are Graphic Elephants, and this has been the art of screen printing. We'll see you guys next time.
See ya.